Seeing phone has been deactivated on your simple mobile device can be frustrating. This usually happens due to an unpaid balance or an expired plan. Simple Mobile deactivates lines after 30 to 60 days of inactivity or non-payment. The first step is to check your account status via the Simple Mobile app or website to confirm the reason for deactivation. Then, recharge your account with enough funds to cover any owed amounts, with a minimum of $10 typically required for reactivation. You can use a credit card, debit card, or PayPal to add funds. Note that Simple Mobile doesn't offer grace periods like postpaid plans, so it's crucial to keep your account active to avoid interruptions. Now let's walk through reactivating your Simple Mobile line and troubleshooting any issues that may arise. Once you've recharged your account, contact Simple Mobile support at 1-877-878-7904 or through online chat to request reactivation. Provide your phone's IMEI number and your account details to help them restore your service. If you suspect a faulty SIM card, order a free replacement online. Once you receive it, insert the new SIM and follow the activation prompts. After reactivating, restart your phone. Ensure your APN settings are correct, apn.simplemobile.com, to access data services. Finally, test your phone in a T-Mobile coverage area to confirm proper service restoration. If problems persist, contact support again, as you may have a SIM lock from a previous carrier or other underlying issues. Remember, most issues can be resolved through these steps, and Simple Mobile is adapting to digital solutions like eSIM for easier reactivations.